Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Photoshop for freelance gigs with Behance, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Photoshop for your freelance gigs through Behance, begin by launching Adobe Photoshop on your device. If you don't have Photoshop installed, download it from the official Adobe website. Once installed, click on the application to open it. You will be prompted to sign in using your Adobe ID. If you don't have an Adobe ID, click on the Create Account option and follow the instructions to set one up. After signing in, navigate to the top menu and click on the Help option. From the drop-down menu, select Activate. You may need to enter your serial number if prompted. If you purchased a subscription, ensure your subscription plan is active. After activation, open your web browser and go to the Behance website. Log into your Behance account or create one if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to your profile dashboard. Click on the Create a Project button to start showcasing your work. Upload the designs or images you created in Photoshop. Add relevant tags and descriptions to make your work discoverable. Publish your project to make it visible to potential clients. Make sure your Behance profile is complete with a professional bio and portfolio. To attract freelance gigs, connect with other creatives in the Behance community. Participate in project reviews and engage with others' works. Regularly update your portfolio with new projects to keep it fresh. Use the saved projects to showcase your best work when applying for freelance opportunities. With your Photoshop activated and Behance profile set up, you're ready to take on freelance gigs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.